Hey guys, it is the 7th of December and I have the other Yale. I will give that a go as I talked about yesterday. It's the same lock as yesterday but with a different bitting, and it's a 30mm, not a 35. So it's a little bit smaller. But except that it's the same thing. And that is nasty. Okay, I think I have to work on this one. But maybe not. So far it has been quite an easy task to open the locks. Should I go bottom of the keyway again, or should I just go top of the keyway? I do believe with that bitting that I will need top of the keyway and a thin pick, but we'll see. First we try bottom of the keyway just like yesterday. And let's focus on. And actually I like to start from this front when it comes to Yales, but right now we started from the back. Oh, false set. That's not good. That's good. It's not bad. It's good. And fill the slide turn on 3. So what do we need to pick now? That is the big question. Which of you are in need of picking? Okay, no, we try something a little bit deeper, if I can find something. I don't want a deep hook. Maybe this one? Medium hook? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, I did not feel the right thing. I thought it felt like feedback in the front, but now we're back in the false set. There we go. Pin 4, not 3, 4. Pin 4. Opened it up. A little bit more of a fight than the 35mm yesterday, but I think that's mainly because it's a little bit smaller and that nasty bitting. And I'm gonna, Rune, you said yesterday that I could just put the keys behind the locks, and I tried, but they will not really, hang flat on. They will hang sideways. I like them to hang just perfectly flat on the tree. I like that as much as possible. So I'm just gonna put these extra keys in the box, and it says 30mm and the other says 35, so I know which lock they're for. Let's get it on the tree with the others. Oh, sorry, focus. Right there. 7 days already. Ruco, American Lockwood, Morris 1100 clone, IFM 1, IFM 2, unknown lever padlock from West Germany, and the 2 Yales. So far so good. We can have one more right here, then we have to work on this next part and the next and then the bottom. So, I hope you enjoyed the 7th episode of the Christmas series. And yeah, I just quickly want to mention that I still have my metal detecting channel, and I will have a link for it in the description and in the comments if YouTube allows me to have it in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great Christmas.